Hey guys, I'm back with my first video on how to hack Wi-Fi password based from Kali Linux. In this video, basically, I am going to talk about the naive approach. In the coming video, I will be sharing you the how to hack a password within 1 hour. For that, you need a prior knowledge how to follow a naive approach. Basically, let me open a terminal and discuss how to hack based on a naive approach. For that, let's see what kind of wireless network, wireless card available in our system. For that, you need to basically import write a command armon-ng. Sorry, for that you need to provide a sudo access, and then let me provide the password. See, basically the interface is in my system is available is WLAN 0, and in order to convert, first we need to convert it to a monitor mode, and then we can go to the next step. So in order to enable the monitor mode, you need to use armon-ng ng start WLAN 0. Cool. Sorry, again sudo access. See, in this now since my Wi-Fi is disconnected and the monitor mode is enabled, you can see here that WLAN 0 mon is now is in the monitor mode. You can see here the monitor mode is enabled for physical 0 WLAN 0 on physical 0 WLAN 0 mon. This is the monitor mode name. So in order to basically see the wireless network available in our network in our area, so you need to use basically arrow-dump command. For seeing this, you can simply type arrow-dump. Just a second, sudo arrow-dump -ng, and then after that you can provide the interface name WLAN 0 mon. Cool. Arrow-dump AIRODUMP. Sorry, domo I wrote. Arrow-dump -ng WLAN 0 mon. You can see the Wi-Fi network available in our area. So basically, you have to choose the one with the higher beacon because it has a high probability of not disconnecting. So you can choose Durgesh Wi-Fi for now. You can press the Control C in order to stop, because the Wi-Fi network I'm searching for is now available. So basically, let me discuss about this. Now let's see, since you can see in the Durgesh Wi-Fi there is a BSS ID here, right? So for every BSS ID connected, you can find here that the station the client is connected. So basically, you can see here that 70. This one is connected, not associated. I think so. There, this might be the case. The system is not able. You can see here Durgesh Wi-Fi. Again, you can props. You can find from here that the client which is connected. This is the client connected from Durgesh Wi-Fi. This is the client connected from the Durgesh Wi-Fi. So now let's copy the BSS ID part of Durgesh Wi-Fi. So cool. After that, in order to hack it, you can simply use arrow-dump command, arrow-dump -ng-c. You can provide the channel ID. For that, you can simply type the 67. Since the channel ID is 67 -BSS ID, you can have copied that, and then after that, you can provide the path where our captured file is stored. So basically, let me Control C let me make a directory for that in the desktop, so that it can be easy. mkdir Wi-Fi password. Cool. Okay, then after that Wi-Fi password. Cool. After that arrow-dump -ng-c channel ID. After that, you can provide 67. You can find the channel ID here, 67, and then after that -BSS ID for the simply BSS ID, and let me provide the -w. For that, you can simply provide the interface name. So basically, my monitor mode interface name is WLAN 0 mon, right? So let me provide the sudo access. Cool. Just a second. Aerodump hyphen B. It's not BSSID, it is BSSID. This is again. Aerodump hyphen NG hyphen C channel ID. Just a second, let me go to previous directory so that I can Wi-Fi password. Just a second, I think I have missed something. 010 mon aerodump hyphen ng hyphen c channel id hyphen bssid. You can have provided this hyphen w. That's 010 mon. Just a second, I think so there is no sudo access for that. Say hyphen c. Let me confirm the channel ID. I think so there is some wrong with the channel ID. Sorry, the channel ID is 11. Sorry, I have selected beacon 67. The channel ID for that it was giving a wrong. So let me write the channel ID with 11. And now you can see that the stations which are connected to this our Durgesh Wi-Fi, you can find here. Now it will basically take some time to so we basically want to hack quicker. So so basically we are going to open a new tab, and basically we are going to use a command airplay-ng command. So because in order to generate a handshake, we are basically going to de-authenticate the user so that the user reconnects it, and we have a handshake, and then see handshake is available without airplay-ng, right? So you can simply Control C, and then after that you can see here that Wi-Fi. See, I have a captured file here, .cap file, right? If the handshake was not done, so you can basically use a command airplay-ng for that, airplay-ng, and then after that simply you can type airplay and hyphen. In order to de-authenticate, you can hyphen 0 is basically for de-authentication, and then after that how many packet you want to send for de-authentication. So if you can 2, 3, 4, 5, how much you want to include. After that basically you have to provide a BSSID, router BSSID. Basically you can write a BSSID here, and then after that hyphen C client BSSID. You can get it from here. You can select any station, and then after that you can do that, and then after that you can simply provide an interface name, and the client will receive a de-authentication packet, and then if he reconnects it, and then again the handshake will happen. So basically now we have a captured file right here. So basically after that we are going to use a aircrack-ng command in order to crack a password. Basically in order to in a naive approach, we are going to use a word list for that. So in order to generate a word list, we are going to use a crunch command. So in order to, you can see a crunch command here. Let me provide a sudo access. See, crunch, min max, and then options. So basically let me provide crunch. So crunch mean, suppose I provided 8. Basically the minimum is 8 and maximum, and then let me provide this is a combination. It will generate all the permutation combination for this for the required word, and then we are ready to go, right? So basically let's generate first word list. Let me provide the output file here, abc.txt, right? So it will take some time, and then we will use a aircrack-ng command in order to crack the .cap file. Let me pause the video and till we get it. Yeah, now basically I have a word list for that. Now you can see abc.txt file. Just a second. See, all the permutation is available. Now you can simply use aircrack-ng command, aircrack-ng command hyphen A2 basically here A2A is for authentication method and 2 basically is for WPA. So you can find out here that it is a WPA type. So basically you can see here the WPA type, right? So basically we are going to use that, and then after that you can provide a BSS ID for I have copied that. So and then after that you word list file abc.txt file, and then after that you can basically provide the cap file. So let me provide .cap file, right? So just a second, sudo, right? Sorry, AIRE, sorry, it's AIRE crack, I think so. Just a second, aircrack -ng -a2 -b BSS ID, router BSS ID, and then after that word list. Just a second, // -01 .cap file, right? See, now we are ready to go. Let me pause for a second and then we will see a password here, guys. Now we can see the password available here. Rahul@123 is basically the password. In this you can hack the Wi-Fi password for them, but it take usually longer time. I waited for nearly 1 hour 30 minutes, and the password is generated from my word list. You can download a word list from net2, and there are common word lists available on the internet. You can simply use that word list in order to hack the password. But basically in the next video I'll be telling you how to hack a Wi-Fi password within 1 hour, because for that you don't require usually a dictionary. So please subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification of it when I upload a video. I have basically created this video again because the YouTube has deleted my video, and moreover the voice was not clear. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. There it. Okay.